All right, everybody, we are on to the second page of your Modern Classroom Lesson 1 notes page, and we're going to look at this now, learning from a video. So you've already done a little bit of learning from a video, but here's a poster that we will have in our classroom and available to you, and here are some things that you should know. Before you watch, you want to always grab your notes. If you do not have your notes, you can use notebook paper. I will provide you with one copy of the notes. If you lose them, then you're still expected to take notes on notebook paper. You'll want to grab a pencil because you'll want that available to write your notes. Highlighters are good. Anything markers you want to have to mark up your notes. Headphones are not required to watch the videos. They're optional, but oftentimes I do think students enjoy having those headphones to kind of block out some of the other noise, but you're always welcome to play the video and listen out loud. And then what's important is to find a place that you can focus and that you can hear the instruction. So if you're in the classroom, making sure you're finding a spot where you're not going to maybe distracted and want to talk with friends. If you're at home, finding a quiet space. All right, while you watch, you're going to want to pause at different times in the video to take notes. If you didn't understand something, you can always re-watch if you needed. You don't have to re-watch the whole video. You could just re-watch parts that you needed to see again. They're always there for you, so it's really not just one and done. Always go back and re-listen if you need to. You're going to fill in your guided notes as you're watching. And let's say you're watching the video and you have a question about something. You can write a note on your notes to ask me or someone else. And you can ask them, if you're in the classroom, you could just turn and ask someone next to you or around you, or call me over if I'm able to help you. But otherwise, if you're not in class, go ahead and write down those questions and ask later. After you watch, just like during the time, you can always re-watch if necessary. You should review your notes. Each day really is ideal to make sure you're continuing to remember what you've learned. And you can highlight anything that you need help with, or you can just go back and rework any of the questions. So these are things that we want to do while watching our video to learn. All right, thanks for listening. Oh, actually, let's go to our true-false questions. All right, so it's kind of like a little check for you right now. You should only look at the video. Is that true or false? That is false. You're going to always want to listen. I know some students like to use the closed captioning. I don't know if that's best. If you really find that you're being successful with it, go for it. But I really think that listening is the key to understanding. You have to use headphones. That is false. You can listen without headphones, but headphones may be something that you find more comfortable using. You can only watch the video once. That is false. You can watch the video as many times as you need to. You can write down questions to ask later. That is true. That is an excellent tool for learning. And you can pause and rewatch. That is true. You can pause and rewatch anytime. All right, thanks for listening.